GoPro enthusiasts, get ready to circle the date because something truly special is right around the corner. The company has dropped a teaser that has the whole community buzzing with anticipation. Scheduled for September 23, 2025, at exactly 6 in the morning Pacific time, GoPro is preparing to unveil what could be its biggest announcement in years. The teaser is cryptic but intriguing, to shadowy camera outlines paired with the mysterious code 92325. Fans immediately started speculating about what it could mean. Some believe it signals a brand new hero model, while others insist it points toward a revolutionary step forward in 360-degree capture technology. The whispers have grown into a roar, and all eyes are on GoPro as the countdown ticks closer. But the heart of the excitement is centered on one product that has been the subject of countless rumors for years: the GoPro Max camera. After much speculation and subtle leaks, this long-awaited camera is now confirmed, and it's being described as a creation built for limitless creativity. Early hints from Igor Bogdanov on social media sent fans into a frenzy, and leaked images only intensified the hype. The Max camera isn't just another camera in the lineup. It's shaping up to be the tool for creators who refuse to compromise, whether they're hanging off a frozen ridge, racing down a muddy bike trail, or experimenting with immersive 360-degree footage. One of the most exciting breakthroughs is the introduction of swappable lenses. Imagine this: you're mid-shoot, capturing the perfect moment, and disaster strikes. The lens cracks against a rock or tree branch. On most cameras, that's game over. But with the Max camera, you simply pop off the damaged lens and snap on a replacement in seconds, then get right back to filming without missing the action. For adventurers who push gear to the edge, this alone is a reason to celebrate. It removes the stress of worrying about permanent damage ruining your footage and opens up a world of confidence for creators who constantly push boundaries. Durability doesn't stop there. GoPro has focused heavily on stabilization, promising smoother, more cinematic footage even in the most chaotic environments. Think about climbing jagged ice formations, blasting through rugged downhill mountain trails, or strapping the camera onto a speeding drone. The Max camera is designed to keep the footage buttery smooth, free from the jittery shake that can ruin otherwise epic shots. Low-light performance has also received a major upgrade, meaning you can now capture the beauty of sunsets, dimly lit adventures, or starlit camping nights without the footage turning into a noisy mess. The design itself balances sleek aesthetics with tank-like toughness, making it capable of surviving the kind of punishment that action enthusiasts throw at their gear every single day. One of the most fascinating technical details to come out of the leaks involves the cooling system. Overheating has always been a thorn in the side of cameras, especially during extended shooting sessions or in hot conditions. GoPro's engineers have come up with a radical solution for the Max camera: dual heat sinks, each one dedicated to its own sensor. Instead of forcing two powerful processors to share the same cooling system, GoPro is treating them like elite athletes, giving each their own dedicated airflow. It's like having two marathon runners, each with their own personal air conditioner, ensuring both can keep going without collapsing. To make things even smarter, the camera mount itself doubles as a heat sink. The piece you use to attach your camera to a helmet, bike, or selfie stick isn't just for stability, it actively works to draw heat away from the system. This means the Max camera could shoot longer, handle hotter environments, and avoid the dreaded automatic shutdown that has cut filming sessions short for so many creators in the past. For adventurers, vloggers, and storytellers, this cooling breakthrough might be just as important as its replaceable lenses. Nobody wants to lose a shot because their gear gave up before they did. With the Max 2, the message is clear: keep rolling, no matter how long the journey or how extreme the conditions. Leaked images have also given fans tantalizing glimpses of what's to come. Some show visible vents on the front of the camera, a design element that makes sense given the heavy emphasis on cooling. Others highlight a new grip that looks sturdy and ergonomic, designed to stay steady in action-packed situations. Observers are speculating that this grip isn't just an ordinary accessory. It could potentially combine multiple features into one, perhaps acting as a tripod, extended battery pack, or even a built-in stabilizer. One particularly eye-catching leak showed the Max camera spinning so rapidly that the background blurred into a whirl of motion. This might be a marketing trick, Or it might be GoPro's way of teasing enhanced stabilization or ultra-high-speed capture modes. If it's the latter, imagine flying down a roller coaster or bombing down a ski slope at top speed, yet watching playback that looks as smooth and clear as if you were gliding on air. The timing of the Max 2's reveal is no accident. GoPro finds itself in one of the most competitive periods in the history of action cameras. 4 years, it held the crown and challenged. But then DJI entered the arena with its Osmo Action series and quickly began stealing the spotlight. Each new DJI model raised the bar, offering creators powerful features at competitive prices. The Osmo Action 5 Pro, released in 2024, was hailed as one of the best compact action cameras ever built. Now, the world is eagerly awaiting the next chapter, the DJI Osmo Action 6 drone. If history is any guide, DJI is gearing up for a late 2025 launch, likely between August and October. That timeline aligns with past releases, including the Action 1 in 2022, the Action 4 in 2023, and the Action 5 Pro in 2024. Recent FCC filings and leaked prototype photos all point toward an imminent unveiling, with some images surfacing just as DJI's confidentiality window expired. The leaks show a device that looks familiar yet subtly refined. The dual-screen design remains, keeping both vloggers and adventurers happy, but the real buzz centers are on a strange pill-shaped component sitting below the front screen. It's not a speaker. It's not a button we've seen before. This mystery element has fueled endless speculation. Could it be a brand new sensor, some kind of gesture-based control pad, or an entirely new feature the action camera world has never seen? Nobody knows for sure, and that mystery has only added to the hype. What's clear is that DJI isn't standing still. Reports suggest that Action 6 will support wide-ranging Wi-Fi protocols, Bluetooth 5.1, and reliable connectivity even in challenging environments. It's designed to handle temperatures from -20 to 45 degrees Celsius, making it an all-weather warrior. On top of that, subtle design tweaks may improve grip comfort, reduce weight, or enhance cooling efficiency, proving that even small changes can make a big impact for users. All of this sets up an epic clash between GoPro and DJI, two titans of the industry who are now competing for the same audience. On one side, GoPro is bringing innovation like replaceable lenses, advanced cooling, and ultra-smooth stabilization to win back creators who may have drifted toward DJI in recent years. On the other, DJI is preparing what could be its most polished Osmo Action yet, sticking to a proven formula but sprinkling in new features to keep things fresh. The stakes have never been higher, and the results could redefine what creators expect from a pocket-sized action camera. Imagine the possibilities opening up for users in the coming months. A GoPro Max 2 camera that lets you swap lenses without fear, record marathon sessions without overheating, and glide through rugged terrain with footage smoother than a cinematic masterpiece. A DJI Osmo Action 6 that pushes connectivity, durability, and usability to new heights while perhaps introducing a groundbreaking feature hidden in plain sight beneath its front display. Whether you're a professional filmmaker capturing breathtaking content for a living, or a weekend adventurer who just wants epic footage of a bike ride, these cameras will open doors to creativity like never before. The truth is, this isn't just about hardware. It's about storytelling. It's about enabling people to push beyond their comfort zones and capture moments that would otherwise be lost to memory. GoPro and DJI are building tools for dreamers, explorers, and creators who see the world not just as it is, but as it could be through the lens of a camera. And as September approaches, the excitement is only building. GoPro's teaser was deliberately designed to spark curiosity, and it has succeeded. The mystery of 92,325 is about to be revealed, and all signs point to a showstopper of a product launch. At the same time, DJI is lurking in the background, ready to strike with its own release that could once again shake up the industry. For viewers, fans, and creators alike, this moment feels electric. The action camera industry hasn't been this thrilling in years, and the upcoming duel between GoPro Max 2 camera and DJI Osmo Action 6 promises to be one for the history books. So buckle up, because the next chapter in the action camera saga is about to unfold. Whether you side with GoPro camera, cheer for DJI, or simply love the adrenaline of cutting-edge technology, 2025 is shaping up to be a landmark year for capturing adventure. The mountains are ready, the trails are waiting, and the world is about to see just how far these two companies can push the limits of what's possible in the palm of your hand.